The largest benefit of working with Videate is the ability to effectively create instructional videos in a changing product in multiple languages, and so that we have a global reach. My name is John Travers. I'm the Director of Voice of the Customer at Nextiva Corporation. Nextiva, it's a global cloud-based software company that sells contact center services to contact centers around the world. I think it's important when people are learning a new application that they're able to see and hear it in action. So instructional video, we felt, was essential to that training lesson. The real advantages of Videate for me are the ability to keep pace with the changes in the product and to provide instructional video in multiple languages for customers around the globe. The product is constantly evolving, and so the training must keep pace with the product, otherwise the training is irrelevant. With Videate, I can modify the instructional training within hours. I'm maintaining the currency of the training. If you were attempting to do this in a traditional way by producing live videos and incorporating them, that would be a constant process. The onboarding of new employees with Nextiva itself has been extremely effective. We've done surveys in terms of its effectiveness, and 100% of them agreed that this was the appropriate way for them to get a foundation going forward and understanding the product. So it's allowed us to be effective in the training system that we've provided. Partnering with Videate was absolutely the right decision to create the material that we needed to provide the training for our application globally.